Hello guys, welcome to Just Top 10. Energy is an inevitable requirement where we want development to take place. All these power generation techniques can be described as renewable since they are not depleting any resources to create the energy. Renewable sources of energy are the ones which can be generated continuously in nature and are inexhaustible. Top 10 sources of energy. On number 1, biomass. Biomass is renewable organic material that comes from plants and animals. Biomass contains stored chemical energy from the sun. Plants produce biomass through photosynthesis. Biomass can be burned directly for heat or converted to renewable liquid and gaseous fuels through various processes. On number 2, biogas. Biogas is a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide, the major constituents being methane. Biogas is produced by anaerobic degradation of animal and plant wastes in the presence of water. Anaerobic degradation is to break down the organic matter by bacteria in the absence of oxygen. It is a non-polluting, clean and low-cost fuel which is very useful for rural areas. Biogas plants used in our country are of two types, fixed-dome biogas plant and floating drum biogas plant. On number 3, tidal energy. Tidal energy is not a very popular energy source, but has immense potential of becoming one in the near future. Tidal energy can be generated in two ways, tidal stream generators or by barrage generation. The power created through tidal generators is generally environmental friendly and causes less impact on established ecosystems. It is similar to the wind energy. Tidal energy is the only form of energy that derives directly from the motions of the Earth-Moon system. The tidal forces produced by the Moon-Sun in combination with Earth's rotation are responsible for the tides. On number 4, wind energy. Wind energy is a conversion of wind energy by wind turbines into a useful form, such as electricity or mechanical energy. Wind farms are installed on agricultural land or grazing areas, have one of the lowest environmental impacts of all energy sources. The principal application of wind power today is the generation of electricity. Historically, it has been used directly to propel sailing ships or converted into mechanical energy for pumping water or grinding grains. On number 5, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the heat from Earth. It's clean and sustainable. Resources of geothermal energy range from the shallow ground to hot water and hot rock found a few miles beneath the Earth's surface and down even deeper to the extremely high temperatures of molten rock called magma. The steam or hot water comes out of the cracks in the earth, and when it doesn't find any way to come out, holes are drilled with pipes in it to gush the hot water out due to high pressure, which turn the turbines of a generator to produce electricity. On number 6, radiant energy. 99% of the cost of normal electricity can be saved by the use of radiant energy. It performs the same functions, but doesn't possess behavior similar to electricity. Nikola Tesla's magnifying transmitter, T. Henry Moray's radiant energy device, Edwin Gray's EMA motor and Paul Bauman's test Attica machine all ran on radiant energy. Nikola Tesla built one of the earliest wireless telephones to be based on radiant energy. On number 7, hydroelectricity. This is the most widely used form of renewable energy. The gravitation force of falling water is the key point in hydroelectricity generation. Small-scale hydro or micro-hydro power has been an increasingly popular alternative energy source, especially in remote areas where other power sources are not viable. The hydro power sites has a few major environmental problems like waterlogging and siltation, causes loss to biodiversity of fish population and other aquatic animals. It also displaces local people and creates problems of rehabilitation and related socio-economic problems. On number 8, compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is a substitute for gasoline, diesel or propane fuel. It is cleaner and safer to use as it diffuses easily into the surroundings if leaked. However, burning it does release a few greenhouse gases in the air. CNG is used in traditional gasoline internal combustion engine cars that have been converted into biofuel vehicles. On number 9, solar energy. The sun offers an ideal energy source, unlimited in supply, expensive, which does not add to the Earth's total heat burden and does not produce air and water pollutants. Solar installations in recent years have also largely begun to expand into residential areas, with government offering incentive programs to make green energy a more economically viable option. On number 10, nuclear energy. Proponents of nuclear energy contend that nuclear power is a sustainable energy source that reduces carbon emissions and increases energy security by decreasing dependence on foreign oil. Nuclear fission is used to extract energy from atomic nuclei via controlled nuclear reactions. Utility-scale reactors are used to produce steam, which is then converted into mechanical work for the purpose of generating electricity or propulsion.